the persons who inspire us to do the best and change our lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. Just today is not enough to remember our teachers, it's worth a lifetime. A teacher gives us all the reasons to dream big and all the resources to achieve it. Our teacher is a person in whom we can find love, discipline, guidance, and friendship. Even though many teachers have influenced me in my life to make me what I am today, I would like to speak about two teachers whom I cannot forget in my life. When I joined school, I didn't know to speak Kannada. I was very uncomfortable and lonely. That's when Ambika Akka came to me and asked why I was crying, that too in Malayalam. It was a blissful moment for me. I felt, yeah, even I belong to this place. She spoke with so much of gentleness and her approach was full of encouragement and care. She tried to understand every child emotionally, which is, very important. She gave us the time and the space to adjust to the school environment. Her soft-spoken nature was so visible in the class that it filled the whole class with a positive vibe. And that's when I started to love school. Then again in grade 1, I was fortunate enough to get a teacher like that. Grade 1 was in a completely different campus. I had to go in a bus. I was homesick and I used to cry a lot to see my parents. Mamta Akka was the only teacher who could stop me from sobbing. She was a fabulous teacher. She made the class feel so homely. She helped me make new friends and she infused me the habit of reading, which has had a great influence in my life. Memories and experiences are so many. No technology can ever replace a teacher. Teachers live forever in the hearts they touch. Happy Teachers Day.
ಬೆಳಕು ನಡೆದು ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ನೀವೇ ತಾಯಿ ನೀವೇ ತಂದೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಕು ನಡೆದು ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ನೀವೇ ತಾಯಿ ನೀವೇ ತಂದೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿವಿನಿಂದ ತೆರೆದು ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನದ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತಿಳಿವಿನಿಂದ ತೆರೆದು ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನದ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೀಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬಾನು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ಹಾರಲು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೀಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬಾನು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ಹಾರಲು.
Namaste, I am Spandana. Today is Teachers' Day and it is a very special moment for me to say thank you for my Sri Gurukul teachers who are my best teachers ever. In my words, they all are my friends, my family, my inspiration, but to be frank, these words are not enough to express my feeling and respect towards them. All teachers, also the teachers who did not taught me in my academic, were all friendly with me. All helped me whenever I needed. When I talk about teachers, I feel very proud to be a Gurukulite. If I had scored great in all of my academics, then the credit is also shared by teachers. When I particularly talk about my 10th academics, I should thank Rashmi Guruji and Madhu sir who supported me a lot. They motivated me, they inspired me. In other words, they stood as my parents at all circumstances and they still support me the same. Another person whom I really should thank is RS sir. In every student's life, their difficult subject would be maths. But it became easier day by day due to him. If I scored 99 in maths, it is only because of RS sir. And now, again he is there for me as my college principal. Because we stayed out of station for 12 years, I was not knowing Kannada so properly to read and write. But I have scored 125 out of 125 in Kannada. Thank you Jyoti Guruji for encouraging me to score out of out in Kannada. Science is my favorite subject and it became exciting subject for me after the 10th. This is because of Soumya Guruji. She made each and every concept as a part of my life. Thank you Soumya Guruji. To be frank, the subject I always hated was social, but Shubha Guruji and HR sir made this very easy. History and political science were the hardest part of social for me, But if someone asked me now, these two became the easiest topic for me. Coming to Hindi and English, people feel a bit difficult in Hindi and English vocabulary as well as grammar. But even this became easy for me. Thank you Vandana Guruji and Sunita Guruji. All teachers stood up every time. They did not mind whenever I asked them doubts or whenever I said them to repeat the topics twice or thrice. Not only subject teachers but also Manjula Guruji, Swapna Guruji, Tejas Sir, Rekha Guruji, Vani Guruji, Purnima Guruji and Vidya Guruji all stayed and helped me though they were not my subject teachers. And now I am happy that 2 more years I am a Gurukulite. At last, thank you to all Sri Gurukul Gurujis and I wish them all heartful wishes for Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day Gurujis.
ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣು ನಾವು ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ವಂದನೆ ವಂದನೆ.
Namaste everyone, I'm Singshina MR. The light of the world beckon in the dark and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work hard every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. I take the opportunity to convey my wishes to all my teachers who have given their impeccable contribution in shaping me. There is a saying that teachers are greater than parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future. T. Satish Kumar Sir, DSK Sir of Kids International School, is one such personality who inspired me a lot. Just a low flame, DSK Sir blowed air over the flame to make it grow, providing air of love, encouragement and proper guidance. Apart from academics, Sir stood by me at each and every step to guide, motivate me and inspire me to become better. I'm always grateful to you, Sir. Beautiful occasion, I take the opportunity to convey my wishes to all the Gurukul lecturers who are the source of knowledge and wisdom and who has been our guiding force during the lockdown period. You have not only taught us the new way to learn but also have motivated us during the lockdown period. I would like to extend my gratitude to each one of you for your selfless service and dynamic support. I'm always grateful to you. Thank you everyone and namaste.
ಕಲಿತ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿನಯಶೀಲರಾದರೆ ಧನ್ಯತೆ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಸರಳ ಮಾನವೀಯತೆ.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅನಿಲ್. ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಗುರುದೇವೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗುರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರವೇ ನಮಃ. ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭ ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅಮೂರ್ತ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊರತರಲು ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ರವರ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ನೆನಪಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ರವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾಗಿದ್ದು ದೇಶದ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಹುದ್ದೆಯನ್ನ ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ತೊದಲು ನುಡಿಯಲು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ತೊದಲು ನುಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದುತ್ತಾ, ನಡೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಾ, ಓದು ಬರಹವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನಿಜವಾದ ದೇವರೇ ಸರಿ. ತಮಸೋಮ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಗಮಯ, ಕತ್ತಲಿನಿಂದ ಬೆಳಕಿನೆಡೆಗೆ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ಯುವವರೇ ನಿಜವಾದ ಗುರು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಕುರುಡರಂತೆ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಕಿನೆಡೆಗೆ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳಕಿದ್ದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸುವ ದಾರಿದೀಪವಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವ ತನಕ ದೊರೆಯದನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ. ಎಂಥ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಸಾಲು. ಗುರುವಿನ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ದೊರೆಯದು. ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ನೋಯಿಸದೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಸರ ಮಾಡದಂತೆ ನಾವು ಅವರ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗುರು ಕಾಯುವವನ ಹರ ಕಾಯುವವನು. ಈ ಮಾತು ಸತ್ಯ. ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂದೆ ಗುರು ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರಿ ಇದೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಗುರುಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಭಕ್ತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು.
ಕಲಿತ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿನಯಶೀಲರಾದರೆ ಧನ್ಯತೆ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಸರಳ single person because every teacher plays a major role in making a student better. Teaching is a profession which is other profession. So let's give a tribute to all those teachers who fulfill our dreams of job. Dear teacher, thanks for inspiring hope in me, igniting my imagination, and inspiring love of loving in me.
Again, happy Teachers Day for all teaching and non-teaching staff of Sri Gurukul. Thank you.
ಮಾನವಂತನಾಗಿ ನಡೆದು ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ. ಮಾನವಂತನಾಗಿ ನಡೆದು ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ.
Namaste everybody. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. As the shloka says, Guru is everything. They are the ones who exposes us to the world. Teachers can change the life with the right mix of chalk and challenges. I was inspired by my bio teacher, Pon Shankri ma'am, who guided me and taught me for my great test.
ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣು ನಾವು ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ವಂದನೆ. ಕರುಣೆಯಿಂದ ಸಹನೆಯಿಂದ ಕರುಣೆಯಿಂದ ಸಹನೆಯಿಂದ ಸಲಹುತ್ತೀರಿ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಲಹುತ್ತೀರಿ ನಮ್ಮನೆ.
Namaste. I am Akshay from Tumkur. I thank my all teachers who gave me knowledge. Firstly, thank my LKG teacher Rosemary ma'am, who gave me the knowledge about ABCD, IIA, 1 2 3, etc. in my life. Secondly, I thank my favorite teacher Shobha ma'am, who teaches me art and crafts. I thank my all the teachers who gave me support to come to this level. Namaste. Happy Teachers Day.
ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣು ನಾವು ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ವಂದನೆ ವಂದನೆ.
Namaste to everyone. I am Prajwal from Tumkur. Thanks to my UKG teacher Prakriti ma'am, who is the first favorite teacher of my life, who gave me knowledge about ABCD 1 2 3, etc. Secondly, I thank to my most favorite Karuna ma'am, who gave me the best student award in her tuition. I thank to her wholeheartedly. I thank to RS sir for suggesting me to join his college. I thank you sir. I have blessed to have such a teachers in my life. Happy Teachers Day to everyone. Namaste.
ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣು ನಾವು ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ವಂದನೆ ವಂದನೆ.
Education is a way of life, and this way of life is bestowed upon me by my teachers. I owe my learnings to all my teachers who taught me right from my childhood. It gives me immense pleasure to wish Happy Teachers Day to one and all who have molded me into what I am today. I thank all my teachers and my heartfelt wishes to all my teachers.
The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. I thank all my teachers for making me bloom. Thank you for all your encouragement, supports and forgives. Dear Sayanti ma'am, you are the best. Thank you for sharing your knowledge, smallest of tempers, biggest of hearts. Sorry for all the mischiefs. I may not remember everything you have said, but I remember how special you made me feel. Thank you for everything. Sorry for the over good morning wishes. It takes a special teacher to inspire students. It takes a teacher like you. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣು ನಾವು ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ವಂದನೆ ವಂದನೆ.
Namaste everyone. I am Pragna Gurkar. Happy Teachers Day to all my beloved teachers. Today is the day of remembering the great President teacher Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Indeed, today is his birthday. He was an inspiring teacher to many students like us. We are also lucky to have many inspiring teachers like you all. Today, I would like to remember my two inspiring teachers. One, Sri Rajarao sir, who taught me the basics of mathematics with passion. His understanding of the subject and teaching methods were exemplary. His kind but straight words made me to follow him and understand the subject well. Similarly, my another favorite teacher, Sri Gopal sir from Aryan School. I am happy to share that he happens to be my uncle also. He has a magical skill of making one to understand the English Language and Social Science. His consistent effort not only helped me to score well but also made me to stay as a better student forever. I express my wholehearted gratitude to these marvelous teachers.
Thankful to Sri Gurukul College and one special thanks for Padmavati ma'am. I am grateful you are my teacher. Your positivity and encouragement brightened my days. You gave me the confidence to my dream big, and I will never forget you. Happy Teachers Day to all teachers and lecturers.